Alrighty guys, so we got the corners mocked. We got our new piece down here mocked. This we got primed and just threw some coat of paint on it so it didn't rust. So the next step is we gotta cut some stuff in here. And yeah, we'll update you once we're done. So we got the one sheet cut. Any more to cut? Well, we got the one corner tacked in, gotta sand it down and all that fun stuff. So we got the first coat of Bondo, gotta wait for it to harden and then sand and then more Bondo and sand. It's a process. So while I was busy over there emptying the gas tank, I got the other side patched and the first coat of Bondo. And we also got this side sanded. So it's going along, slowly but surely. Alrighty guys, this will be the last couple of clips for this video probably. Really, I mean, all that's left is we gotta drill out a couple of these spot welds you see on the side here. And then we can start welding the corners in place. So I will be back with you once we get those drilled out. So we got spot welds drilled out. Next step is we gotta fix that, which we're just gonna glaze it. This would be the easiest way. We'll be back.
think that's going anywhere.
No, I don't think it is either. Alright, well we got corners tacked on, this welded down, this welded, needs work. And that's it for today's video. Have a good one, guys.